Hey guys, hello, welcome to my channel. So today I got something in the mail. It will be my first upgrades to my 2023 Kawasaki Ninja 650. There's my bike. So I got the Womet-Tech Total Protection Package from TSD Industries. It includes the fork sliders, the front fork sliders. I got the frame sliders, then I got the bar end sliders, then I got the spool sliders. Now for the spool sliders, there's two versions. There's just the regular spool and the spool slider version. So I got the slider version. They're the same price, so might as well get the slider version. And then, so the first thing I'm going to install is the spool sliders, and then I'm going to put it on a stand, the rear bike stand. Now this stand is from Harbor Freight. The only thing is this is bare metal, so I put electrical tape to protect the spools from getting scratched up. But I mean, that's personal preference. I'm like anal that way. But the install should be pretty simple. And they have like really detailed YouTube videos, TSD Industries, how to install this. So let's go. All right, I got it installed and I put it on the stand. And the install was very, very simple. It's just a M6 6mm key that I used, and you just thread it in. The only thing is, I guess the slider spools version doesn't come with any cover here. I guess it's okay, just black. But the only thing is my stand, if you can see the gap, it's not a perfect fit. So this width, this is too wide for this, but it was a little bit of a struggle to get it on the stand, but I got it on the stand. It looks pretty stable, as long as I don't do anything crazy. You know, whenever you get a bike, first time you put it on the spool, you get nervous because you don't want to drop it. In the video that TSD Industries had, they wanted me to torque it to 18 pounds. And I got this torque wrench also from a Harbor Freight. It was pretty cheap. And I put this 6mm key. This is also from Harbor Freight, and it was a pretty easy install. Now I got this installed, so let's do the front forks right here. That should be a simple install. Then the frame sliders, then the bar ends. All right, so I got the fork sliders in. In here, and then the torque value, it was 12.5 pounds. You just have to, for these, this side, the metal piece that's inside, it's like recessed in. So this side, which is the right side, is recessed in. This side is straight. So just remember that. It's in the instructions. It's pretty simple. Yeah, it looks good. It comes with like a sticker for here, a white or a red. I'm just gonna keep it black. So that one's done. Now, let's go on to the frame sliders. All right, so I got the frame slider installed. Now, it's a simple install, but it became kind of involved because I installed both sides, and one side, see how it spins? So I thought I installed it wrong, so I reinstalled it. Then it didn't work. Then I switched it. So this side now doesn't move. You see? Oh, it doesn't move. And one side, see, I can move it around very easily. Now I switched it. I switched the rods and the pieces, and only one of them does it. There's like this long metal rod and with the sleeve. So one of them, the sleeve moves freely, where the other one, the sleeve is like tight. So I contacted their customer service. I mean, the sliders are gonna still work fine, but I don't like it that this moves and the other one doesn't. I mean, it's pretty expensive, right? So it should be working fine, but their customer service is non-existent. They have like a chat thing, and they said they're supposed to call me back whenever, and they have a phone number. It doesn't pick up, so well, maybe it's Friday, that's why. So hopefully they get back to me and tell me what I need to do. As far as the frame sliders go, I think they work fine. I think they're gonna work fine either case, but still, I don't think it should be like spinning around freely like that. And it's definitely, I did the torque properly. So if I put this on the other side, it will spin. So it's not my installation, it's just this product. It's not machined properly. Okay, so I'm gonna go on to the next thing, which is the bar end. All right, everyone, I'm done with the install of the TST Industries Womet-Tech protection package. So I got my spool sliders for the front fork. Fork sliders, right? Front fork. Then I got my bar end sliders, Womet-Tech. All right. I'm surprised it doesn't even come with this cover. But anyway, yep. And then I got my frame sliders, and as I talked about earlier, this just moves while the other side doesn't. And then I got my spool sliders right here and right here. The only issue is this is too thick and this is it's not wide enough, so it's like barely hanging on, but I think it's pretty stable. I shook it. It doesn't look like it's moving. But in any case, I want to use it for like washing the motorcycle and also doing like oil changes. Yeah, I think it's pretty stable. All right, until the next video, take care.